Hi, I'm Ravi Handa, founder of the website handagafunda.com. In this series of videos, what we are going to do is we are going to discuss previous year questions from the CAT exam. And if you're planning to prepare for CAT with just few weeks to go, have a look at our crash course on this particular link. Hi everyone, I'm Ravi Handa, founder of the website handagafunda.com. Welcome to another solved example on Odd One Out. Here you are given 5 sentences and you have to figure out which of these 5 sentences is not a part of the paragraph which is formed by the other 4. Let's have a look at the sentences. Translators are like bumblebees. This actually looks like a good starting point, good introduction. It is talking about the idea that we are going to discuss in this paragraph. Though long since sufficiently disproved, this factoid is routinely trotted out. So this factoid, which means some factoid is being talked about. Now, what can be that factoid? It has to be some sentence which comes before to. Similar pronouncements. So again, this is similar pronouncements. This is similar to some pronouncement which was made. So this 3 also has to follow something. About the impossibility of translation have dodged practitioners since Leonardo Bruni's De Interpretatione Recta published in 1424. So this is happening from 1424. So again, something is wrong with translators, or it is difficult or something like that is happening for a very long time. But what is that wrong part? That should come here. So both 3 and 2 are possible. We need to find out what comes before them. Bees, unaware of these deliberations, have continued to flit. Again, these deliberations. So there is some fact which has to be there. So again, for 4 also, I will say that there is some fact which needs to come before it. Bees, unaware of these deliberations, have continued to flit from flower to flower, and translators continue to translate. So this is essentially, I think I've got the structure. 1 is talking about how bees and translators are alike. 4 is talking about how bees and translators are alike. And in the middle, we have discussed some similarities as to the problems they are facing. Statement number 5 says, in 1934, the French entomologist August Magnan pronounced the flight of the bumblebee to be aerodynamically impossible. So this is a factoid, the factoid which was being talked about. This, that the flight of the bumblebee is impossible, like the translations which were impossible, which were mentioned in 3. And then we have in 4 that bees, they do not care about such what an entomologist says. They continue to do their work. Similarly, the translators also continue to do their work. So this 4 part is the conclusion of the idea that bees and translators, they continue to do their work despite of what the research says about them. And that is the introduction which is being made in statement number 1. So the intro is there, the conclusion is there. We need 2 statements in between which talk about the difficulties that a bee should face and the difficulty that a translator should face. So bees and translators are alike. So first, we need to put in statement number 5 and then put in statement number 3, because 3 says similar pronouncements. So first pronouncement is that flight of the bumblebee is impossible, and then similar pronouncement is being done about the translators. First it is being done about the bees. So 1, 5, 3, 4 is my coherent paragraph, which makes 2 as the statement, which is odd one out. Hope you learned something from this video. Thank you. Hope you liked this video and learned something from it. To learn more, please check out our crash course on this link. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be releasing many such videos in the near future. Thank you.